Hello, good day, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be taking you through how you can put a header on your website. A header on your website. I'll be using my phone to write the code, and you can use your phone. You can also use your laptop to write your code. But I believe we all have SPC code, SPC application as our code editor. Now, I already specify my title. Let me give it let me just adjust it. Let me put space there so you'll be able to see it. You can see doc type HTML. That is document type. The type of document I'll be writing with this page, I'll be writing with this index.html page, is going to be HTML document. That is why I specify document type HTML. Then all the codes you will be writing must be enclosed in an HTML tag. That is why you see HTML opening tag here. Then at the bottom here you see HTML closing tags. What makes this HTML at the bottom a closing tag is the / that is before HTML. Now this title lets your browser and it lets the visitor to your website to know what your website is all about. The tab of your browser, that is where this title will show. This title is not going to show on the body of your website. It's only on the tab of your browser that this title tag is going to show. I will show you when I run this. Okay, let me run this now. You will see. You can see nothing display in the body, but at the tab of the browser you can see my first website. That's the title. It's not going to display on the body. Nobody can see it except if they check the tab, then they will now see something, my first website. You can try it with your browser. It's still the same thing that's going to appear. It works the same way. So now for the body of my website to have for something to display in the body of my website, I need to specify by opening a tag and closing it and putting what I want to appear in the body of my website. Now here I want to put H2, H3, H1, we have H1, we have H2, we have H3 to H7. That H1 to H7 are used to put heading. I used to put heading on a website. They are used to put heading on a website. When all the H1 to H7, they have opening tag and they have closing tags, and they are used to put heading on a website. Like this H3 now, the closing tag will be, then I put / it will now appear / H3 again. Then in between opening tag and the closing tag, I'll now put what I want to appear on my website. So let's put welcome to our website. Then let me run it. I run it, you can see it. Welcome to our website, because this welcome to our website is within the body of the website is within the body of our page, because it's not yet website. It's a page. When two pages are now linked together are now referred to as a website. It's a page. So that is why you must have heard that most of the websites that you click on and lead you to it leads you to a page where they give description of a product. They are called sales page because it is only one page, and it includes sales description on that page, so they are called sales page. When two pages are now linked together, it's now make it a website. When 2 or 3 pages are linked together, now make it a website. In a website, you can have 10 pages, you can have as many pages, but it's advisable for your pages not to more than 5 pages. Like you have your home page, you have your services, or you have products page, you have your contact page, you have a about us page, you have a frequent FAQ, frequently asked question page, or portfolio page. Now this is H3. Welcome to our page. Now there is another HTML tag called p tag, paragraph tag. This is it. To close it, paragraph tag. The main duty of paragraph, the p tag, which is paragraph tag, is to put a paragraph on your website, so you can write a long description of something with this thing, and it's going to come out normal. It's going to come out in a very good way. It's not going to be too big, it's not going to be too small. It's going to be adequate, accurate. So that's why they use it to put paragraph on a website, and you can also style it as well. So I don't have anything I can copy. I will have copy and put it. Welcome to okay, this is our website. Okay, let me see, maybe it's going to Lorem. No, it's not going to work here. If it's VS Code, it's going to work. This is our website. We are passionate about web design. And we love what we do. Now let me run it. You can see it come out as normal text, not bold, not too big. You can see. That's what I mean. That's paragraph tags. That's paragraph tags. P tag. And then apart from p tag, we also have pre-tag. You can see pre-tag. This pre-tag are used to pre-formatted tag. It's called pre-formatted tag. It's basically used for breaking a words in a smaller breaking words in smaller form. Let me copy this. It's mainly for breaking words breaking a paragraph in a smaller form. Let me put it that way. Let me copy this. Breaking a paragraph in a smaller form, like song lyric. You can use this. That is the perfect example. Song lyrics are broken in a smaller form. So you can use this tag for it. Pre-formatted tag. Now, okay. Now this is how it appears here. Let me now do something, because I want it to, once I break it down like this, Now let me run it. You can see the way I broke it down there, it appeared the same way. But this p tag, let me break it down as well and see how it will appear. If it will appear the same way, it's not going to appear the same way. Even after breaking it down, it's not going to appear the same way. That is why you need to understand which tags to use at what time. You can see it still appear the same way it appeared, but this one, because I broke it down, it appeared the way I want it to be. But this one still the same thing, no change. It didn't appear like this, despite the fact that I have broken it down. So apart from p tag and pre-formatted tag, we have many tags. We have image tag. Image tag is single tag. It has no closing tag. Image tag is img. Then you specify the source of the src. Source. This src refer to source. Then, since you have the image on your folder, you will now specify where the image is located on your folder. Within this column, you specify, like this one now, where the image is located is in image folder. I have image folder here. That contain one image. I have video folder here that contain one video, mp4. Now this image folder, I need to specify it by doing what? By putting images, then /. I will now specify the part of that, the / the name of that image on my folder. Because this lappy.jpg is inside image folder, so I need to specify where it is and then run it. But I cannot run it because I need to specify. Okay, let me run it first. You can see this is the image of the lappy. You can see the configuration of the laptop. HP Folio 4094 ATM. But you can see it's too big. It occupies the whole space. Of the website, because it's within the body. But I can specify that I don't want it to occupy the whole space. I want to occupy just I can specify the width. The width will be 200 pz, and the height, I can specify the height also. The height should be auto. It should be auto. Okay, let me use 100 pz as well. It should be 100 pz. Okay, you can see the image that occupied the whole space now has now become small, because I attach attributes, the HTML attributes. I decide what size I want it to be. I can also put 200 by 200, the width 200, the height 200. Because it will now come out like a square. That is image tag. Now, I want this welcome to our website. I want it to be at the center of the browser. When anyone visits my website, I don't want it to just be at the left hand side. How am I going to do it? Now, I will come to this image, welcome DH3. I will come to the opening tag. I will go inside the H3 and style it with inline style. Then I will now specify that I already put style. Within that column, I will now put that the text should align center. text align. I'll now put center. You can see text align center. But I want this welcome to our website. I want a background. A color background. I want it to have color background, and I want this welcome to our website, instead of black, to become a white, or change it to another color. Let's go there. Inside this H3 tags also, that's where I'm going to specify what I want to happen. Now I separate that. Background color. I want it to be brown. Yes, I want the background color to be brown. You can see. That's the brown. But I want the text welcome to our website to become white. I've specified that the background color should be brown. Then I need to specify that the text color, I'll just write color. I will not write text. I'll just write color white. You can see. Now I want this background color, I want it to give a space at the bottom, then a space at the top, a space at the bottom, a space at the top. Then that welcome to our website will not be in the middle. Let's go there. It's still the same place I'm going to specify. I'll still be here. Then specify that the padding I want 20 pz up, then 30 pz down. Let's run it and see the outcome. You can see 20 pz up, 30 pz down. That's how it was. That's how it was. And okay, let me try to specify something. Let the up be 50 pz and the down be 30 pz. Let's see what will happen. The up, which is here, let me turn it to 50 pz up. Because it just starts increasing. Now let's specify the margin of our website. This outside, let's see, maybe we can move this background color. If we can move it up, if it's going to work on this mobile app. Now I come here, I use this color to separate it and start margin top. $50 pz. Let's see what will happen. Okay, margin is going to be 0. Margin top is 0. Now I move this thing to the up, but because it's a mobile, there's no way it's going to move to there's no way it's going to cover the whole screen, that white background will not appear. But if it is on laptop, if you are using your laptop, it's going to work perfectly. I don't know, maybe you understand what happened here. I don't know, maybe you understand what happened here. So this is how to put a banner on your website. Now you can even put a home. You can decide to put a home at the top of this page. You can decide to put a home, our services, our contact us, about us page. Okay, before this video comes to an end, let me quickly tell you how to put that. Now I need to specify something. Let me use a header tag. Header. Then here I will bring the closing header to this, because I want that H1 to be inside the header tag. Okay, now within this header, now all this in this header, now I want to use another list. UL another list. UL is referred to another list. We have another list and we have other lists. Another list will make your listed item to come out with a dotted sign, while other list OL will make your listed item to come out in a figure like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So once you specify on other list tag, you have to specify your list item li, then li. Now inside this li is where you are going to put what you want to list. Put it there. But in this case, I want to list home. Now let me copy and paste. Okay, I want to list home. Don't let me copy and paste. Let me write another so you'll be able to understand. Now here, services. Here another list item. Here another list item. Here I want FAQ, frequently asked question. Here another list item. Here I want closing the list item here. Here I want contact us. Now after services, let me put about us. List item. About us. Now let's run this and see. You can see. But it come out with a dotted list. The list item will come out with a dotted sign. So if we have used on that is another list, if we have used other list OL instead of UL, if we have used OL here, and we'll now run it, it's going to come out with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2 instead of dotted sign. Now we need to remove this 1, 2, 3 for other dotted sign. That's the first thing to do. And to do that, in this OL, okay, let me use that dotted sign. and this way you style it. List style type, you said no. List style type, you said no. You can see that dotted sign are no more there. That dotted sign are no more there. I believe you understand what this is about, what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to do. You understand it very well, right? So yeah, this video is almost 25 minutes. Let me bring it to an end. Let's in our next video, I will be taking you through how you can move this listed item, this our menu, how we can move it to the top of our banner, and how we can spread it that will be at the top of our banner here. So that's what I will be showing you in the next video. So look forward to our next video.